Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 20th of November, 2022. We're going to talk about Ethereum today. Given the FTX collapse, what is going to happen with Ethereum now? You guys can see that I did a video in Ethereum and I didn't drop a price for this because I wanted the fallout to play out in the market for Ethereum. You guys can see that there hasn't been any interest or demand coming through into the market in Ethereum, which gives me cause to think that price in Ethereum is going to break this long-term trend. You guys can see that I've created this ascending line on the chart. We are nearing the breakage of this trend line. Now, this trend line has been in place since 2020. Here it is 2 years later, and the market in Ethereum is testing that trend line once again, pretty much like what it did back in June of 2022. So what are the chances of us seeing the price in Ethereum breaking the trend line? So let me zoom on this price chart. I'm going to start out looking at the market action in Ethereum on the weekly chart. You guys can see here it is on the current weekly price bar that we're not seeing a lot of strength or a lot of interest, a lot of buyers coming to the market in Ethereum, which we want to see that as we are nearing this testing of this trend line. We want to see the buyers come through, and we're not seeing it just yet. Taking a look at the market in Ethereum on the 2 weekly time frame, you guys can see we got 6 hours and 20 minutes on this current 2 weekly price bar, and it still looks weak. Now, given that that's the case, let's not be massively bearish. Let's not try to equate the weakness that we're seeing on the chart in Ethereum as like looking for the price to run down to $600 or $400. Nothing of that sort. But the market is not strong neither. So I need to give you guys both sides of the story, and the market currently is definitely showing us some weakness. Okay. Now, from a 3 weekly perspective, this is one reason why we can expect the downward pressure to continue. Look at that 3 weekly price bar right here. That definitely resembles lack of interest, or at least buyers coming to the market. Now, I want you all to see this though. I want you all to look for price in Ethereum to try to come in and hold support around 1,000. That's going to be my nearest area of support right now. And that takes us looking at Ethereum breaking that trend line, which that is going to be massively bearish. I'm going to tell you right now that that will be massively bearish for us to see Ethereum break that long-term 2-year trend line. We don't want to see it, but for here, I want everyone to be prepared for it. Okay, so the first price target I'm going to look forward to though in this term of looking at the weakness in Ethereum is $1,000. My second area is going to be around 850, pretty much like where the low came in on this 3 weekly price bar. Okay, so let me go ahead and put on this price prediction real quick into the market in Ethereum. You guys can see it even on the 5 weekly chart. So the weakness that I'm preparing for is seen on the weekly perspective. Okay, so let me show you what we're working with. This is going to take us breaking the trend line. I want everyone to understand and realize that the market action that we're anticipating in Ethereum is going to break that long-term trend, which means I am not going to be long-term bullish. Okay, so $1,000 is the first price target. You guys can see that's 15% right there. That second price target is going to be on the low that came in here on this 5-day price bar of June 15, 2022. That's another 20% overall market move to the downside in Ethereum. And we are going to play the weakness into the market in Ethereum as long as price continues to trade below $1,500. All right, so that is it. I am done. I want you all to go ahead and drop in your price prediction. Hit the like button, and also subscribe to the channel, because you're not going to get nothing simpler than this. Real simple, real easy. All we had to do now, sit back and let the market work for us. So now give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.